Now we are going to check the demo for text extraction from audio file, and then text summarization and classifying the text into positive, negative and neutral words, like using sentiment analysis, like using polarity values. So first, what we have to do, we must have an audio file for project implementation. So this is the application main file. We have to execute this file. This is our GUI, where we can give the YouTube URL here. For example, I take YouTube URL with good audio content. Audio means with text content. So we can download the video online. So the download has completed. Video downloaded successfully. So the video will be available in our project location. So this is our downloaded video now. Now we can browse the downloaded video and we can give audio to text. This converts the audio into text value. A speech recognition is used on this module, and we are extracting the text from the audio file. Yes, now the extraction of audio file is done. The content extraction is done. So this is the content in the audio file that we are seeing here. And then this button summarization will do both work, like it will classify and it will summarize. This paragraph of data will be summarized to precise value. Precise text content is nothing but a summarization, and this also do the classification. So let me click on the summarization button. This is nothing but the word cloud. Which word is used most times is given as the bold and all. So this is the classification of the text into positive words, negative words and neutral words. And this is the sentence number, how many sentence, like page rank and importance. So this is what given. So summarization is done. Now this is the summarized text from the data value. So we can use any number of audio file to download and to extract and detail. So you can use clear button, then you can give the URL, you can select the video, you can do for any number of video file. Thank you.